friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today is day 2 of our Osaka, Japan trip, and we booked a cloak tour that will bring us to Nara Park, Fushimi Inari Shrine, and Arashiyama. Our meeting time is at 8 a.m. at Nanippon-bashi, exit 2. We departed at exactly 8 a.m. Morning!
Morning! I'm your tour guide today. Okay, nice to meet you all. Nice to meet you all. Kumusta ka?
Buti!
Okay.
Ayan. So we are headed to Nara Park. We will feed the deers. Yan yung ating mga group tour. Nauna na silang lahat. Yan na yung deer. Yung mga may antler daw, yun yung mga male na deer. The baby deer, yun yung walang antler. Umusok ka. Gangalap. Yan. Ay! Oh no! Ayun, this costs 200 yen. Nabibili lang siya doon. Sa stall, dito banda. More? Sorry. Pakain pa tayo sa Ay! Uy! Lab! Ay! Ay! Ala! Oh no! Ala! Ay! 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 Kinain na rin pati yung hala. No more, no more. Bye-bye. No more, no more, no more.
Hello.
Hello.
Ay, nagpupi pa, nagpupi. Pose.
Konnichiwa. We are here at Nara Park this morning on the second day of our tour, and we are here with the deer. They are tame, and we just feed them one at a time, because if you feed them all, sila po ay lalapit sa iyo and they will come in group. So look at them.
What happened to your itinerary, to your a copy of your ticket?
My itinerary ticket was eaten by one deer, and then my daughter-in-law, she fed them with the biscuits, and they were all happy with the feeding. It's cold here, actually, and there are plenty of tourists on our group tour.
Hi!
Look!
No more food, no more. No
Masaya
more.
sila. Lahat tinuruan kami
Ay,
na
nagbabaw. Baw ka sa kanya.
You see,
Baw ka.
if he bows, he also bows. Yeah, look. Nagbabaw din sila as a sign of greeting. And after ng feeding nila, ay kaklap ka lang ng 2 beses, aalis na sila. Yun ang turo ng group tour. You see, the place is very nice here in Nara. When we were on our way here in Nara, it was snowing. And that's my husband, Alex. See you later.
Bye!
Tara na.
Hey, ma, pwede makahingi ng discount? May discount ba yan? Since my mic is with my mother-in-law and their conversation is heard in this clip, I will do a voiceover. We are given an hour to explore Nara Park. We had a really great time feeding the deer. By the way, you can only feed them with crackers called shika senbei, which can be bought from a stall in Nara Park. One bundle costs 200 yen. There are deer in Nara Park because they have been protected as a sacred animal for over 1,000 years. It was believed that the god of thunder, Takemi Kazuchi, rode a white deer to Nara. Deer are known as the helpers of the gods. Be kind and polite to the deer. Feed them only with the crackers called the shika senbei.
Ay, may tusok yan ha.
Free wifi here in Nara. Yan. Sige. Dalawang clap lang ha.
Ayaw love eh, ayaw daw. Mali daw baw mo, dahan-dahan daw baw mo dapat. Eye to eye daw muna kayo.
Tingnan mo muna siya.
Eye to eye daw muna.
Oh.
Lapit ka daw, malayo ka daw masyado.
Isang baon.
Lapit ka daw, lapit. Ayaw na tuloy.
Nagkakamot kayo? May bendo din dito. Ay, gusto niyo pa water? May water pala dito. May QR payment available din pala. Pagka red, hot. Pagka blue, cold. 500. Ito. Water na lang.
Our next stop is the Fushimi Inari Shrine. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes walk from the bus to the shrine, so make sure you have proper shoes for a long walk.
Uy, Miril. Lockers. 3, no?
We enjoyed the walk to the shrine because of the many souvenir shops and food stalls. We as well passed 2 railways, which you will see in the next clips. I think we were given about an hour and a half to explore, so you have to budget your time exploring the shrine and enjoying the street food on the way to the shrine. Add the time as well to walk from the shrine to the tour bus.
Kahit saan ang mga gacha po. Ay. Kamote. No? The fried noodle. Fried noodle. Dito mo nga to. Wow. Yakitori. So, ayan. So, eating while walking. Dito. Hindi na kayo akyat?
The Fushimi Inari Shrine is one of the most important shrines in southern Kyoto. It is famous for its thousands of vermilion torii gates which leads to the wooden forest of the sacred Mount Inari. By the way, vermilion means a brilliant red pigment. There are several thousands of shrines dedicated to the Inari, or the god of rice, and Fushimi Inari is the most important among them. The thousands of torii gates are donations by individuals and companies, and each donation starts around 400,000 yen and increases over 1,000,000 yen. This is called the Chizuya, where you have to purify yourself first by washing your hands and mouth before entering the shrine.
sinusuot ng mga kids. Ito yung parang yung fox na mask. Ito mga food. Inar, sushi. Mga sushi. Galing, ah.
Our last stop is at the Arashiyama.
Let it snow. Ganda na snow.
We actually experienced a little snow in Arashiyama, and we are happy with that little snow experience. We haven't had our lunch yet, so we're having that first before exploring the area. We're aiming to eat at the nearest resto we can find.
Bukas ba? Bukas. Ganda. Ganda dito. Parang same yung mga burners nila.
It took us more than our time budget for lunch since we waited for our son to finish his afternoon nap and take his lunch. Most of my clips at Arashiyama is our sumptuous lunch. This I can say is my Japanese food highlight in our trip. The name of the restaurant is Yoshiya Oku Niwa. They have a separate menu for halal and non-halal, so we checked out both. When my bento meal was served, the staff taught me how to eat my meal. She just said that the tofu is eaten as it is, and this sauce is for the tempura, and this is the dipping sauce for the soba. Itadakimasu! We chose the bento meal since this has the most reasonable price and quantity. It actually was really good. I am now a fan of soba noodles in chuyu dipping sauce. Hope I got this right since I just looked it up while editing. In the Philippines, I think this is only available at the Yushoken Ramen restaurant. The dipping sauce is actually cold, but I still find it really yummy that I can replace ramen with this since this is a healthier option. Or is it?
Our little boy's food. Yummy. A kid's meal.
Chicken, nuggets, ito baka type na shrimp.
Chicken nuggets, shrimp with the Japan flag and orange juice. Orange juice and soba. Our little boy about to eat his lunch while watching his favorite TV Patrol. Me, let's eat. Yummy, the little boy. Look at the spoon and fork. It's so Ayan, so we are out and about. After our medyo mahabang lunch, we'll be exploring here sa Arashiyama for 30 minutes. Kaya natin to. Are you happy? Ito mga ice cream. Ayan, so head off kami ngayon. Head off kami ngayon sa bamboo forest. Let's go!
Dun muna tayo.
The must-to-go places here in Arashiyama is the Togetsukyo Bridge, Bamboo Forest, and Tenryuji Temple. I've also heard from our tour guide that there are Snoopy cafes in Arashiyama. Since we spent a lot of time to eat our lunch, we only were able to go back to the Togetsukyo Bridge, and we were not able to go visit the Bamboo Forest and Tenryuji Temple. But it's okay, maybe next time.
Wow! Wow! Ang saya! It's been 6 years, no, since nandito tayo. Yippee!
I highly suggest if you are taking this tour to avail the rickshaw tour services so you can roam around Arashiyama in a short period of time. The rickshaw ride cost depends on the number of minutes you want to avail. It starts at 4,000 yen for one adult and 5,000 yen for two adults for 12 minutes.
Ayan, so we are on our way to Tenryuji Temple kasi i-recreate namin ang picture namin with our son, and nung kami pa lang, last picture was 6 years ago. Let's go, kahabol pa kami kasi we have 20 minutes left na lang para makarating doon and makabalik sa bus namin. Kasi otherwise, kakanta siya.
We then pushed through going to the Tenryuji Temple because time is so tight already that we decided to instead head back to the bus.
Mga pasalubong stuff. Yan o, Kyoto, Arashiyama, matcha. Ay, ito yung binigay sa atin, di ba? O yan ba? Parang rice crackers.
Sa kabila pa ba?
Kabila pa ata, kabila pa. Lalagpasan pa pa. Oh.
We are back at Dotonbori. We plan to go back to the takoyaki stall, the first ever stall where we tasted our first takoyaki in Japan. But first, we have to go back to the hotel to get more warm clothing for our son.
Off we go. Let's go to Dotonbori. Parang sarap po. Strawberries na. Chocolate. Mga for good luck. Ito. Ang cute. Oh, ano ba to? Ah, wallet. Galing, oh, wallet. Nagba-vibrate. Ang ganda. Nakakatuwa.
Wow! Yum!
Oh. Junior ba? Ayan. Add to cart. Gcash. Tayo mo na. Ayan, okay na. 86 will come out. One this.
One standard?
Yes, stand.
No cover, okay?
Sorry?
No cover, no plastic handbag.
No.
Just-
Plastic.
Just-
Plastic, yes. Yes.
Do you need plastic bag?
Yes, plastic.
6 pieces only open box.
Yes.
But 8 pieces I can cover plastic.
Oh, okay. Yeah, 8 pieces will do. Yes.
That's the deluxe. Ang cute oh. Takoyaki. Wala. Cute eh. Mamumura ng luggage nila oh. Wow. Babalik na tayo pagkatapos ito. Musta? Musta? Sarap? Tingin, tingin. Init pa oh. Init pa. Okay? Lambot? Ha?
Okay.
Pencil.
Masarap. Bango nga eh.
Ano pa?
Close up. Hi friends! So we're back here sa hotel and namili na lang kami ng mga ibang mga street food. Actually, isa na nauwi namin, yung takoyaki, which is our super favorite. Alam niyo yung may flag na to. Ang pangalan niya is the creo-ru. Okonomiyaki and takoyaki. So pag may flag siyang ganyan, ayan, ang sarap-sarap ng takoyaki na yan. Kasi alam nyo, kung favorite nyo ang takoyaki na medyo gooey, hindi yung masyadong firm, yun, this is the store for you. So, super favorite ko siya, namin actually, kasi last ko siya natikman, sobrang tagal na, year 2018 pa. And that day talaga na fall in love talaga ako sa taste ng takoyaki. And I have looking for that taste ever since. Wala pa nakakatalo sa lasa nitong creo-ru. Siya ang super favorite ko. So, let's see kung yun pa din ang lasa niya. So, hindi na siya ganun kainit. Pero first time ko itong makain, napaso talaga ako. So, alam niyo yun, I'm sure na meron din sa inyong napaso din sa takoyaki sa first time nyo. Or alam niyo yun, kung gusto niyo talaga napapaso dahil yun yung fun of eating takoyaki, then I guess makaka-relate kayo sa akin. So, tikman natin ulit siya. Kasi nalala ko noon, bumili kami nito twice. Ayan, so yan ang itsura niya ngayon kasi medyo na, ano na namin siya, na balibag na sa pagbitbit namin from Dotonbori to here sa hotel. So, tikim tayo ng ating creo-ru takoyaki. Yan, ganun pa din siya. Super gooey. Yan o. Yan, pero hindi siya ganun ka-super init. So, masusubo natin siya ng whole na hindi tayo mapapasok. Let's eat. Parehas pa rin lasa niya. Ang sarap-sarap pa rin. Pero try ko ulit siya ng mainit na mainit. Super sarap pa din. Wala pa rin nakatalo sa lasa nitong takoyaki na to. And more.